Hello parents, today I want to share a few tips from my own experience of being a parent for past 21 years. Promise, no judgment when they ask for help to get out from any sticky situation. Just go save them. Talk to your children about everything. Give them the power and independence when the stakes are low so that they can practice. And it's okay even if something goes wrong. Have alternative methods of communication. So, if there is a topic which the child is hesitant to bring about, or you are hesitant to bring about, you can share stickers about that message, or memes, or put it on a post it note and stick it on their tables, and then later take it up into real conversations. Always be accepting. Let them do weird haircuts, let them wear bigger clothes, let them express themselves. This is the age of finding themselves through awkwardness. I have this rule with my kids that whenever they call me, even if they have lied to me, I will be there to get them. No questions asked.